Hello friends, and welcome back to AutoFix Zone. 90% of engine shaking and vibration is caused by the occurrence of a misfire, but what makes the matter not simple is that the causes of misfire are numerous. However, do not worry. In this video, we will present all the causes, how to detect them easily, and also the solutions to these problems. Fault code P0300, or misfire, is the failure of combustion to occur during the power stroke, or the failure of complete combustion inside one cylinder or more than one cylinder. A specific fault code appears for each cylinder, starting from P0301 up to P0304. Now it is time to identify all possible causes of engine shaking and vibration due to misfire. 1. Ignition system problems. Misfire may occur due to problems in the ignition system, such as advanced or retarded ignition timing, weak spark output from the spark plugs, or even no spark at all. This may be due to faulty spark plugs, spark plug wires, or ignition coils. 2. Fuel system problems. Misfire may also occur due to problems in the fuel system, such as clogged or faulty fuel injectors, leaking injectors, weak fuel pump, or a clogged fuel filter. 3. Air intake system problems. Misfire may also occur due to problems in the air intake system, such as a clogged air filter caused by dirt and dust, or a vacuum leak which leads to unmetered air entering the engine without being measured by the air sensor. 4. Internal engine problems. Misfire may also occur due to internal engine problems, such as improper valve sealing, a damaged cylinder head gasket, or cracks in the engine block. In a few moments, you will learn how to detect this problem without removing a single bolt from the engine. 5. Failure of some sensors. Misfire may also occur due to faults in some sensors, such as the camshaft position sensor and crankshaft position sensor, especially since they control ignition timing and fuel injection inside the cylinders. Now we review the most important symptoms accompanying misfire inside the engine. 1. Illumination of the check engine light with fault code P0300 up to P0304. 2. Significant difficulty in starting the engine. 3. Vibrations, hesitation, and stumbling, especially at idle speed. 4. Engine stalling immediately after starting with rough engine noise. Now we have reached the most important part of today's video, which is the suggested solutions to solve engine shaking and vibration due to misfire. 1. Replace the spark plugs, air filter, and fuel filter as done during routine maintenance. 2. Measure the fuel pump pressure and ensure the fuel injectors are functioning properly and not clogged. 3. Perform a compression test on the engine to ensure the efficiency of internal engine components. This test includes verifying the condition of the valves, cylinder head gasket, and the engine block internally. 4. Monitor the operation of some sensors, such as the camshaft position sensor, crankshaft position sensor, and oxygen sensor using a diagnostic scan tool. 5. Perform a vacuum leak test to ensure that no unmetered air is entering the engine. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive alerts for every new video. You were with AutoFix Zone. See you in the next video.